Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete Gmail account permanently. So let's get started. So in order to delete your Gmail account, first you just have to open up your Gmail application, and after opening up your Gmail application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and then select an account that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this account, so what I'll do is just simply select it, and after selecting that account, what you have to do is just simply tap on manage account on this device, and after tapping on manage account on this device, just simply select the account that you have previously selected, and after selecting it, just simply tap on Google account, and after tapping on Google account, you will come up to your account center. From here you just have to tap on data and privacy, and inside your data and privacy scroll all the way down, and you will find delete your Google account option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, from here you just have to enter your account's password or the passkey or the authentication code that you have added. So what you can do is just simply enter any one of those options, and after entering it, now it will try to verify, and after verifying your account, now you can delete it. Now to delete your account, what you have to do is just scroll down and then check these two options, and then tap on delete account, and your account will be deleted successfully. So that's it guys, this is how to delete Gmail account permanently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.